Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to switch WhatsApp on a business account. First of all, open the WhatsApp application. After opening the app, go into Settings. Now from Settings, tap on Chat Backup and tap to start the backup from here. Then open up the WhatsApp Business app. Once you open the WhatsApp, tap to use the number as your other WhatsApp. Now describe your business category and click on Next. Also, you need to enter your business name and then click on Next. Once you successfully get into your WhatsApp business account, you can see all of your chats backup in here. That's how you can switch WhatsApp on a business account. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.